What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Fowler. In today's video, guys, it's all about Jasmy. As you guys can see, it has taken a little dip over the last 24 hours, down 6% and currently valued at 0.00517 cents. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Is it going to keep dropping? Is it going to pump anytime soon? Is it going to recover, or is it going to keep dropping? That's what we're going to be going through, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy the dip right now? Is it time to sell it? Or is it just time to hold on to it? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how far can this crypto go? And is it even worth investing into Jasmy this year? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is down just over 2% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, everything is red on the side. Bitcoin dropping 5%, Ethereum dropping 5%, and as you can see here, EOS nearly 7%. So yeah, the market has taken a little dip over the last 24 hours, which is not looking too great. However, more or less, it has been performing very well since the start of the year, so it's only right that it takes a little step back, a little break, shall I call it. And over the last hour, we've got Jasmy dropping 2.5% with a major drop here in the last half an hour to an hour. Over the last day, 7%. Over the week, another 8% down. It's been volatile, but overall it has been moving towards the negative direction. And over the month, it is still up 74%. More or less consistently gaining value, but over the last week or so, it has taken a little step back. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone down by 18%, making it $42 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money being traded on Jasmy. However, since about 2 weeks ago, this was way higher than what it is at the moment. The only reason why it's gone down is because of the drop in value it has gone through over the last week. As you can see here, most people are just holding on to it at the moment. They're not buying it, they're not selling it, and hence why the trading volume has taken a little step back. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've also got the SMA indicator running across the chart, which gives us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple at 0.005085. However, we can see Jasmy is trading in red here at a slightly lower value at 0.005052, meaning, well, more or less it is on target. It's very close to the SMA indicator, so it's on target and performing like it's meant to. Zooming into the 30-minute chart, we're going to go through the short-term traders as well as for the long-term traders through the hourly, daily and weekly chart. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line clearly heading towards the negative direction, looking quite bearish, and the orange line is also just about slanting towards the negative direction. So essentially, we have both the blue and the orange line both looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, essentially, according to the graph, we should see an overall drop. However, that is not what I'm expecting. I'm expecting it to slowly and steadily start to increase in value. The only reason why we're seeing a negative line, especially the blue line, as you can see, is looking very steep, is because of the major drop that's taken place over the last half an hour. The graph thinks is going to go through essentially a crash, which again, I'm not expecting. Once this drop is over the next 2-3 hours, I'm expecting more green candlesticks to appear and hopefully slowly and steadily increase in value, going near its SMA indicator by midday tomorrow. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking bearish. We've got the blue and the orange line looking negative. Again, they're looking quite steep as well, heading towards the bearish direction, meaning it is not realistic. However, I'm expecting an overall fluctuation in value over the coming 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of this week, I'm expecting Jasmy to be more or less trading around 0.0052 cents in target, somewhere in between here. It's going to be quite volatile, but again, the movements are going to be very small, so is going to be peaking and dropping in value as well, but the movements are going to be very minimal, so it's going to be trading around its current price range for the rest of the week. But towards the end of the week, I'm expecting it to be trading around this current price range. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect? Again, I'm expecting bullish lines again. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines, not steep lines, but negative lines, is because of the drop that's taken place. So essentially, according to the graph, over the next few weeks, we should expect an overall drop. However, that is not what I'm expecting. I am expecting an overall increase in value from Jasmy over the coming 6 to 8 weeks. So mid-March to late March 2023, I'm expecting Jasmy to be heading towards the 1 cent target, hopefully somewhere in between here. Again, I'm not saying it's going to hit the 1 cent target, but heading towards very close to the 1 cent target, and potentially in April hitting the 1 cent mark is what I'm expecting from Jasmy. However, this of course depends on any major crashes or major price bump or bull runs that it goes through, not just Jasmy but the crypto market, and that will of course have an impact on Jasmy and the whole crypto market, either in a positive or negative way. But either way, I'm here to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well on the crypto market, crypto conditions. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, these are my takes on Jasmy. Again, let's get rid of the MACD indicator. As usual guys, there's no point using the Fibonacci scale when it comes to Jasmy. Only reason is we are trading in the red zone, and for us to get out of the red zone and head into the green zone, we're gonna have to hit $1.18, and as you can imagine, going from about half a cent to $1.18 is going to require a huge percentage increase, which I'm not expecting from Jasmy anytime soon, not even in the next few years. So it's likely we are going to be stuck in the red zone over the next couple of years, but that doesn't matter. As long as we slowly and steadily start to gain value heading upwards, we should be good to go. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jasmy, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want regular updates on Jasmy, about 3 to 4 times a week, or more often or less often, whatever it is. Let me know in the comment section down below so I can upload according to what you guys want. And let me know your end of year target for this crypto. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there, thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, it's free to subscribe, so why not just hit that subscribe button, as I'm trying to hit 100k. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.